Right. Let me take this down so that it's on. Good day, everybody. I want to do the flyer design now. The banner design because portrait is flyer, while the one that is flat is banner. So I want to know the exact size of that picture. So what I need to do is to use the picture first as the background. Understand? So I'm going to go to the picture from gallery. I'll click on it. So I'm going to look for the picture. Right. Mm, all right. So I'm going to look for the picture. So this is it. So when I click this mark here, it's going to take me to the exact size of the picture. So for me to know the exact size of the picture, I'm going to go to these three dots at the up place, right up. When I click on image size, now this is the size of this picture. 1280 866. That's the width and the height. So okay, so I want to remove it as I want to remove it and use the white background, just white background. So I'm going to go to color and then use white. So this is it. So this is the size of the banner. So what I'll do is to import everything that I want to use for this design. I'll import them. First of all is that image. That image. Yeah. So the second one is um okay. Let me go back. Second one is the the brush. Now this background, this orange background here is brush. That's what they call it, brush. So I'm going to import the brush and the guitar at the background, and the background we are going to use. So those are the things I'm going to import. So let me go to send download. Um, so I'm going to take this brush. Okay. Now this brush has background, so I'm going to delete it. Okay, let me just import the back. Alright, so this is the things I'm going to use for this design. This is my background. This is the details I'll add and maybe an image. I'm going to use my picture for it. So this is where we'll start from. So I'm going to start from the background, put in the background. So I'm going to increase it. So is it? Okay. So this is it. I've increased the background. So what I want to do is for me not to be able to move this background. First of all, I'm going to send it to the back. This to back this place, and then I'm going to lock it up. Lock it up with this key. I lock it up. So meaning I cannot touch that background again. It's already there. It's sealed. But looking at this background that is in this one, it has okay. Now I'm going to look at my guitar here. So this is my guitar. It's at the back, and I'm going to reduce the opacity. Alright, so what I will do is to now look at this guitar there is bent. So I'm going to bend this, and I'm going to reduce this. So I'm going to reduce the opacity. Opacity. You see what the opacity is doing. You need to reduce the opacity. Now this other guitar too, I'm going to do it like this. So I'm going to reduce the opacity too. Alright, so this one. Now what I will do is maybe I would like to lock this pictures. Alright. Alright, so what is there now is to add the write-up. New singles. So I want to write new singles. So I'm going to put it here. Now I will not let me just finish all the write-ups. Let me off my data is worrying me. New singles. Thanks. Okay, thank. Okay. Yes. I'll keep it there. I'm going to type God. Now look at what I'm doing. I'll just copy it. Let me go back. Now like this time, I'll just click on copy. So I'll just edit the copy. So no need to start from beginning again. God. So uh, by you can also put your name there. By simple graphics. So this is the name I want to use. Okay. The other thing there is produced by premium. So I'm going to use produced by simple graphics. So I'll just use produced by simple graphics. Yeah, see, I think Thank God was sung. Thank God was sung by. Okay, so we don't need that. No need to add. Thank God was sung by. So the Twitter handle we can leave that for, but just let's do the basics that is here. So all I'll do is to start with this new single. I'll change the color to white. That's not white. Alright. So white. Size to reduce the size. And I want to change the font. Now I'm going to use the font that you guys will be having on your phone. Because if I use a different font, it's like you will not get them. Because most of the font I have, I downloaded them like this one. These are my downloaded font, which I will be giving out in my master's class. So you can access them in my master's class. So um let me just look at this. Okay, I'm going to be using this font Lerum brand. So what I would do is to now looking at the write up, it's still smaller. Okay. Understand? So this is how it is. So let me get this first. I want to hide this guy. Now this is my image and I want to hide this. You see this hide sign here? This hide that is cancelled. When I click on it, the picture will disappear. When I click on it again, it will show the picture. So I'll click on it. I want to disappear the picture so that I can see what I'm doing. Now new single. Now I want to enlarge the. Okay, let me just leave it so that you guys will know what I'm doing. Okay, new single. Now I want to enlarge the right top. Now I'll go to this spacing here. Spacing. I'll click on spacing. Then I'll click on this plus sign. It will be increasing it. Understand? You see the number is increased, so I can use my hand to take it up, take it down. So I'll leave it at 35. So I'm going to see reduce the right top. I think it's kind of too big. I'll put it in 14. Now I want to move this right up. So I want to move this right up. Now it's very small, so I can't be holding the right up and moving them. So I'm going to use this position. Position. I'll click on it, move to this side, move to this side, up and down. Understand? So I'm going to move to this side and this side is to be. Let's leave it at 12. So I want to lock that one. New singles. I'll lock that and thanks. So thank is somewhere here. And the right up is white. The color is white. And I'm going to use a different font. I don't know if you can see this kind of font, but I'm going to try as much as possible to use anyone that will be related to it. Okay. Mm. Okay, I'm still trying to get a better right up. But I think we are going to go with this. But let's go with this. Sneakless. So we're going to go with sneakless and no, we're not going with that one. I don't know the exact font they use, but we're going to use a font that will be a kind of let's use calligraphy. So I'm going to use it. So I'm going to enlarge it. I'll go to size and increase the size. Size. Okay, now I made mention of um, adding a border, which I've not done. So I'm going to do it now before I continue my design. So I'm going to go over to shape. I'm going to add the shape. Now I'm going to using this as my border. Alright, so I'm going to put it by the corner. Now using this too. Okay. Let me put it again. I want to put something like this. I want to be using this as my border. And now this border I'm going to be using. I'll leave it there. I'm going to copy another one and put it by this side. So I'll know that this is our border. So I'm going to copy another one. I'm going to rotate it. I'm going to add it up. And I'm going to copy the last one and add it by the down side. So this is our border. Understand? So we're going to use as our marginal line, our margin, and I want to lock the margins. I want to lock them so that they won't shake. So what I'll do, actually I don't like this right up well, but the little one can manage for now. So this is time. Where's our God? So I'm going to use another font for this God. I'm trying to limit my fonts. So the ones that will be available in your pixelLab. So I'm going to use name. So I'm going to increase the size. Now adding color to this. Now I would like to pick this color that is in that right now. So I'm going to use color picker. I'll go to color first. Then you see this plus sign, I'll click on it. I'll click on gradient first. Now if I want to add color, when I click on this first, so it's going to give me this gold color. But this is not what kind of I want. So I'm going to go to this second one. This is what I want, but I'm going to change the color. So I'm going to put this plus sign. So I'm going to pick a color. Now click on this color sign at this right hand side. I'm going to pick. I know I think I have to do another tutorial for this color picking because it's going to be difficult for you guys. But what I would advise is that you just use any random color. Understand? So just use any color you feel that is a good one, so that it's going to blend well. And we know that we are there. So picking, I'm using the color picker to pick this color. So this is what I have now. And this last place, I'm going to, if you're using your color, just use any random color for this. Because you might not be able to do this if you are a learner. Understand? So this is the color I have now. I think it's something like that one. Now I'm going to add my, okay, I did not import my brush tool, my brush, vector brush. So I'm going to import it now. Vector brush. So this is my vector brush. Then I'm going to use to add my name on it. I don't like this color, so I'm going to change the color. Now I want to use color picker to pick this color. Now click on this plus sign, click on this second pick eye drop chain. I'm going to use this other one. So I'll pick the color, I'll put it there. So this is it. I think this by simple graphics. So I'm going to bring, now my right up is at the back. So I'm going to bring my right up to the front. Now click on my right up by photographics. Now another way to bring right up to the front is when you hold this numerous dot that is here. When you hold it, you hold it and you take it up. It's going to take it right up to the front. Then it brings it right up to the front. So I'm going to reduce the size of my right up. Right, so this is it. The color they use is kind of the color of the background. So I'm going to use the color picker to pick the color of the background. Okay, so I don't like this writer. So I'm going to use men. I'm going to increase the font size. Now I'm going to lock my vector. I'm going to lock the name. So this is produced by. Now I'm going to rotate the picture. I'm going to rotate it. To see this rotate too, I'm going to rotate the stand. Now I'm going to use my position to move them to the corner. Okay. I'm going to reduce the size. Position. I'm just trying to rush this because the time is fast spent. So I'm going to use that. Change the color to white. No, the color is not white. With this other color. The size is always too small. It's small, so I'm going to reduce my own size to small size. Use my position to position it well, and I can as well increase the spacing. Alright, this rotates. Alright, so I have this like this, and my other rock, I took new single. I'm going to remove this image I'm using to draw. I'm going to add my own picture to it. Let me look for it. Okay, so this is the image I'm going to use. Now I want to make the image to become brighter. So I'm going to add stroke to the image. I'll click on this middle. I want to add stroke. I'll click on enable and I'll add stroke already. Simple as that. So I want to change this right up. I don't like it. Like it's not interesting to me. So I'm going to use another kind of letter right up. But let me use this. Alright. It's a little. Now my image seems as if it's cut. It's left. There's some write up are losing. So what I'll do is to go to this padding and I'll increase this more. I'll click on the plus sign to bring out my right stuff very well. So this is it. This is God. Let me increase it. Right. Now, so this is what we have. Now, if I decide to remove my borders, my margin, by hiding them, it's going to be like this. So, this is it. So this one I'm going to save. I'm going to first of all save project. Banner series. I'm going to save as image. Now saving, looking at this dimension, I'm going to click on dimension, save as very high, and save to gallery. So this the picture will be saved to your gallery. So see you in the next class. Thank you all very much.